Hi dear children, the main points in the first unit in EVS, fields and forests. Here you have to study about adaptations. Peculiarities that help an organism to live in its dwelling place are called adaptations. Okay. Then amphibian. Vertebrates which complete their life cycle both on land and in water are called amphibian. Examples of amphibian: frog, newt, salamander, Sicilians. Then the largest amphibian is salamander and the largest frog is Goliath frog. Goliath frog is found in South Africa. Okay. Then ecosystem includes mutually dependent biotic and abiotic factors of a particular place. Living things are called biotic factors, examples plants and animals. Then factors like air, water, soil and sunlight are called abiotic factors. Okay, both biotic and abiotic factors are interdependent. Then there are some activities that harm the ecosystem. Such activities are deforestation, overuse of pesticides, sand mining, and use of plastics. So, how can we protect our environment or ecosystem? We can protect the environment. That is, we can plant more trees, then don't use plastics and reduce the use of pesticides. Okay, in that way we can conserve our ecosystem. It is our duty to protect our ecosystem. Then the main points in the second unit, the leaf 2 has to say. Here you have to study about two types of root system, that is taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system includes a taproot and the smaller roots from that taproot. Okay, then fibrous root system includes a group of similar roots that are growing from the base of the stem. Then there are two types of venation, that is reticulate venation and parallel venation. Network-like venation is called reticulate venation and parallel type of venation is called parallel venation. Okay. Then the first part that comes out from a germinating seed is called radicle. Radicle becomes root of the plant. Then the part that comes out after radicle is called plumule. Plumule becomes stem of the plant. Okay. Then the leaf-like part in the plumule is called cotyledon. The food is stored in cotyledon. When the plant grows, cotyledon will shrink its size. What is the reason, can you say? Yes, the plant uses the food in the cotyledon. As a result, when the plant grows, cotyledon will shrink its size. Okay. Then plants with one cotyledon are called monocots and plants with two cotyledons are called dicots. In dicot plants, the inner part of the stem will be harder and in monocot plants, the outer part of the stem will be harder. Okay. Then the main points in the third unit towards independence. Gandhiji came back from South Africa on 9th January 1915. So 9th January is observed as Bharatiya Pravasi Day. Okay, then Gandhiji took the leadership of Indian national movement. His main weapon against British was Satyagraha. Satyagraha means holding on to truth. Then Gandhiji's first Satyagraha experiment was in Champaran. Champaran Satyagraha took place in 1917. Then Gandhiji also gave leadership to Geda struggle in 1918 and Ahmedabad textile mill strike in 1918. Then British government passed a law, Rowlatt Act in 1919. That act gave power to British to arrest any person without any trial. So as a protest against this, there was a meeting against this Rowlatt Act that was in Jallianwala Bagh in Punjab. Okay, so when there was a meeting going on, General O'Dwyer and his troops came and they fired against the innocent people. Many people were killed and many people were wounded. That incident is known as Jallianwala Bagh incident, and that incident took place in 13th April 1990. Then, as after that, Jallianwala Bagh incident, Gandhi started non-cooperation movement in 1920. Gandhi decided not to cooperate with the British government at any levels. Then the main demands of non-cooperation movement were the following: avoid liquor, then spread Ghadi, spread Hindi and boycott foreign clothes. As a part of non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji visited in Kerala also. Okay, in 1930, Gandhiji conducted Salt Satyagraha. Salt Satyagraha was against the salt law. Okay, that is in order to break the salt law, Gandhiji and other leaders marched to Dandi seashore. They reached in Dandi and broke the salt law that marked the beginning of civil obedience movement in the country. Then in Kerala, Salt Satyagraha was led by K. Kelapan. He is known as Kerala Gandhi. Then Variga Variga Sahajare, that patriotic song was composed by Amshi Narayanapilla. Then Quit India movement was started by Gandhiji in 1942. Through this movement, Gandhiji demanded British to leave from India, and his main slogan was "Do or Die." August 9 is observed as Quit India Day. Then October 2 is observed as World Non-Violence Day. Then hero of Quit India movement is Jayaprakash Narayan, and heroine of Quit India movement is Aruna Asaf Ali. So there were many leaders who played an important role in Indian freedom struggle. Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the first Prime Minister of India. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he is the Iron Man of India. Lokmanya Balagangadhar Tilak, Bihar Gandhi, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then India's first woman governor, Sarojini Naidu, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Okay, that Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is known as Frontier Gandhi. Then Gandhiji's political guru Gopalakrishna Gokhale, India's first educational minister Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. All these leaders played an important role in India's freedom struggle. As a result, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Okay.